Hi, kindergarten friends. It's me, Miss Hudson here. I'm at the Block Center today to learn about 3D shapes. I know that you already know a lot about shapes, like a square, a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and a hexagon. All of those shapes are flat 2D shapes. They don't take up any space like a 3D shape. These blocks that I found are 3D shapes. They take up space, not like a flat shape. Well, this shape keeps rolling away from me. Every time I set it on the table, it rolls. That's because this solid shape doesn't have any flat faces to sit on. It's completely made of curves. This is a sphere, and spheres are excellent for rolling. Let's check out some other spheres. If my spheres try to roll away, I'll put them in this tray so you can still see them. I found a sphere that people use to decorate. Where do you think this sphere would look pretty hanging? On a Christmas tree? This ornament is a sphere. It's round and curved all over. It takes up space. It doesn't have any flat faces. So when I set it down, it rolls. I'll put it in the tray. Here's a sphere that you can eat. I found it in the kitchen. It's an orange. An orange is a solid shape. It doesn't have any flat faces because it's curved all over. And yes, it can roll. I'll put it in the tray. Here are some spheres that people use to decorate with. These spheres are curved all over. Here's another sphere that you can eat. It's an onion. An onion is curved all over and it takes up space. If I take off that stem, it's a perfect sphere. I can even use spheres to make a necklace. These beads are spherical. They're shaped like spheres. What do you think? Here are some spheres that you can play with. These are marbles. Marbles take up space and they're curved all over. Marbles are spheres. This globe is a very big sphere. It's curved all over. This is a map of the world, and it is a sphere. What about on the playground? You could use a sphere like this, a kickball. Or if you're feeling really angry, you can squeeze a sphere like this, a stress ball. I even have a very little golf ball. All of these are spheres. Let's go to the Promethean to practice finding spheres. Let's check out these spheres together. Spheres are round all over, like a ball. Use the pointer to roll each sphere. Remember, those curved surfaces help spheres to roll. Let's help clean up the playroom. Only put the spheres in the empty basket. Okay, that should be easy. This block, well, it's not curved all over. It is a solid 3D shape, but it can't go in the basket. It's not a sphere. But this ball of yarn is curved all over. It could really roll. It's a solid shape, a sphere. This princess hat has a curved surface, but a sphere doesn't have a point on top. No, it's not a sphere. What about this drum? It has a curved surface, but these flat things on top are called flat faces. A sphere doesn't have any flat faces. This drum is not a sphere. The snow globe, ooh, that's very delicate. It's made of glass, round and curved all over. A snow globe. Yes, that's a sphere. What about a balloon? Round and curved all over. A balloon is a sphere. Now that we've found all of these spheres, let's see if you can make a sphere. Wow, you sure are great at finding spheres. Well, now that you're getting good at spheres, let's try to make a sphere. You know what you can use to make a really great sphere? Play-Doh. Let's open this Play-Doh up and break off a piece and make a sphere. It's not a sphere right now, but if you squeeze it in your hands and roll your hands like this, keep rolling, keep rolling. Your Play-Doh will be shaped like the sphere, curved all over. When you're rolling Play-Doh, you can also roll it on the table. If you go around and around, it should be shaped like a sphere. Great job today learning about solid 3D shapes and learning about the sphere.